Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this pot clamp plant grow light. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are interested in using this pot lamp glow light. So how this works is that you can see it's about a 1 foot tall lamp. And so it does come with a USB butt charger, which plugs into here. And so you simply just clamp this onto your plant. So let's say that this right here is our pot. It'll clamp on just like this. And by it clamping onto your plant, you'll be able to adjust the light so that it shines directly onto your plant. Now, with the controller for the light, you do have different modes. You have the power on or off button here. You also have a timer, and you also have an increase or decrease in the terms of the plant's brightness, or the lamp's brightness. So this plant light in particular, it basically has 3 timing settings. So the timer button, which is right over here, it's able to be on for 3 hours, 9 hours, and 12 hours. And after that set amount of time, the light will automatically turn off. Now, as far as the dimming sensitivity ranges range from, this right here will be able to go from 20 to 100% intensity range just by clicking the plus and minus button that you see right over here. So overall, I'd say that this is a really good plant light for smaller size plants, but even so, you can try it with a variety of different plants depending on how tall they are. And again, this is what it looks like. It's well over about, I'd say, a foot long as far as how much light can be shined upon your plant. But overall, very pleased with it.